Hello everyone. As you all know that this pandemic has made all of us techno-savvy irrespective of subject that we are teaching. It is a real challenge for the teachers to not only deliver the subject matter to students but also to involve them like live classrooms to maintain their interest. There are different methods for the same. One such method is Google Classroom. Now log in with Gmail account and click on this plus sign and click on create class. Now give any name to the class, then section, subject, and then room number, and then click on create. Just wait. It will take some time. Now this class is create dummy, section is A, this one is the class code, and this one is for selecting a theme, and this one is for upload photograph, and this is for pupil. From here you can invite teachers as well as students, and this is class setting, this is class details, dummy, description, section, room, subject is computer, this is general setting, this is for class code, this is the class code, and here this is regarding Google Meet. Click on this generate meet link, and this is enabled for all the students. This is enable and disable button. This is for grading section, total points. You can add category, suppose theory 50 marks, add another category, practical 50 marks, then save the settings, and this is regarding classwork. Click on create assignment, this is title, suppose overview of functions, this is regarding instructions, this is for class dummy A. Now this is here I can select category, suppose theory, its points is 50. Now click on due date, suppose I select 31st date, and this one is for time, and this is for topic, create topic, suppose I create topic Python function, then click on assign, and this is regarding Google Meet link. We can copy this link and share to the students. Now click on this link to join the Google Meet. I hope you all have understood about effective teaching in Google Classroom. Thanks to all.